Greetings, my people. Monique, greetings. Greetings to all. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. It depends where you are watching from. This message today will be focused only on those living in the United States of America. Actually, this I will call it a donation video for today to enlighten our brothers and sisters out there about what's going on back home. So, my people, I will write the letterhead, and I forgot about it because my head is burning. There is a very big problem back home now. A very, very big problem. Operation Python Dancer is now consuming the life of our fellow brothers and sisters, sons and children back home. Nigeria have started committing heavy atrocity on our people. The military government of Nigeria have started the assassination of every youth in Eastern region. This is no longer the matter of I'm from Abia, Aba, or any part. This one is entire Eastern region. So I'm using this opportunity, mostly those living in the United States. Listen, you are there working. I know that it's not easy. I know that it's not easy in terms of making money or anything, but most of us do donate money to more or less babies home, to various NGOs to give support. But now the matter at hand is our people are dying. They are dying, and we need your support to raise fund to rent lawyers. I mean, the bunch of lawyers that will battle Nigerian government in European Human Rights Court. Oh, my signal is bad now on YouTube. I don't know what is going on. They are now heavy interference is coming in. I don't know where the problem is coming. Please, YouTube. Oh my God, I don't know. Please hold on. Let me try to set out things. I don't know. They are now interfering heavily. So my people, I am back now. The signal is now green. So let's proceed. What I'm saying is this: we need every support on our people. We need every hand, any helping hand that will be able to support our people. We are not pressing our people to go to war with Nigeria, nor to confront Nigerian military. I am using this opportunity to call all the whole youth listening to this video now. Please get out of the road. I'm begging you with the name of God. Get out of the road. Allow the military of Nigeria to patrol as they want. Go to your various homes. Stay at home. And those that can be able to operate around, get us every evidence, things that are happening, the pictures and the videos, authentic ones. Send it in, because we are gathering all those things as evidence against the Nigerian government. And for the court to commence, the lawyer, the barristers, as I said yesterday, £5,000 for the beginning to sue Nigeria, to take Nigeria to court. And they promise us they will make sure that the court of human rights here in Europe will press Nigerian government to withdraw all heavy equipment and their military from the street of the Eastern region people. What am I not saying now? The only thing we need is £5,000 to start. I am not looking for money for any other thing. I believe in legal method. I believe in a way where that we will bring Nigeria to book, and all the crimes they committed, they got to pay damages. Those that are wounded got to be treated outside Nigeria. They will be transported to advanced hospitals for treatment. And what I'm saying is this: we need every support. We need every support from US, UK, Australia, from the beginning of the year to the end. People have already started contributing, but it's still very little. We need more. I know that there are most of you there that £5,000 is nothing. Please don't look back. Here will be transparent. Everything that is running, everything that will be going, the money will go to that account that you are seeing there. Is my private German account. Pay it in there, and the lawyers will give us their bill. I will send the bills here. When it's paid, the receipt, everything will be coming in, because the total estimate is almost £107,000 to battle Nigeria in human rights court here in Europe. That is the only thing we can do. We cannot go and face the military. We did not learn from the past war. And because we didn't learn, that thing is about to repeat itself. But we have every instrument to prevent it not to happen. Let's pick a call. Hello, the call on the line. Can you hear me?
My brother, are you live?
I am live.
Okay. Well, we were talking in the morning.
Yes, but whatever you are saying now is going live. Our people are listening.
Well,
I'm
yes.
trying to inform them in terms of raising fund for the human rights court against Nigeria.
Yes, I think
like
we have to talk about the human rights issue. We have to talk about it. I don't think it's something that should go live. Maybe after your program, I'll give you a private call.
Okay, thank you. God bless you for that, my brother.
Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, bye.
So, my people, sorry for that. He doesn't know that I'm live now, because I do go live by 8 p.m. German time, 7 p.m. London time. I don't know the time in US, but he thought that I'm still offline. But please, yesterday I was live on Facebook. Somebody called from Enugu State. Do you know what he said? He said, "Because my people, come for our rescue. People are dying. They are killing people. Soldiers are picking boys, going to undisclosed location, assassinate all of them, pack their bodies, and go somewhere and bury them in mass grave, so that there will be no evidence left." But thank God that we have some soldiers that doesn't like what is going on. They are filming everything secretly and sending it out. Please, I'm using this opportunity to thank all of them that are risking their job and their life to get the message out of that undisclosed locations where they are killing these boys. Please, my people, please, I'm begging you with everything on this planet, with God, man, and everything. Do something. Western Union can help. Use my name, Zebedi, from German. Send Western Union, MoneyGram, pay it into account. Do it anyway, just anything, even though it's $3, $5, $10, 20, 100, 200, 500, anything you can offer, anything you can do, see it as something you are using to help your people. If you want us to mention your name live, what you did, we will do it. We will do it. Yesterday I mentioned name of our brother Chris Nwogo. Chris Nwogo supported us yesterday. He accepted that we can mention his name, but the amount should remain secret. But I mentioned his name. Others doesn't want their name or anything to be mentioned. Good, we respect that. People have started responding. Please join your brothers and sisters. Join the race. Join them in supporting for this. You are like God that will save your people. Because the only thing that can stop Nigeria from all this crime they are committing in Eastern region is the court. It's court of law. It's not in Nigeria, it's outside African continent. In advanced world, those that have the right and the value of the human being and the African people will now treat the issue, treat the case. Because I'm begging you people with everything. I don't know what to say. Look back home. Call people. Call those that you have back home. Their governors, everybody are just crossing their legs, drinking their champagne. They are not even there for the people. They are there for their family. Nothing but their family. Those they claim that they are ruling, they are protecting, they are taking care of. Military have taken over the Eastern region. Military have taken over. We are in civilian rule. And another thing, the worst one is about to come. Do you know why the worst one is about to come? All the Muslims in Eastern region since yesterday are packing their loads and leaving Eastern region. In Umuahia, no Hausa man to be seen. They are packing their loads from Aba to Port Harcourt. All Eastern region, the Muslims, the Hausas are packing their load, living in quantity. If they are living Eastern region in this mass, have you asked yourself what comes next? What is going on the ground that you doesn't know? What is the plan of this federal government? I don't think that it's only Buhari that will bring to book. All the whole Nigerian government will be brought to book. Because somebody signed whatever for something to happen. Even though the governors of those states will also answer their own queries because they allow such a thing to take place in their territory. Or do you say that it doesn't know? In a democratic world, it doesn't happen that way. They knows everything that is going on there. The boys that are being killed, because they are killing in Anambra for a very long time, in River State, nobody is doing anything. Now they want to jump into other parts and start doing what they know how to do it. What they know how to do best. But we have to stop them. We can stop them. We can say no to that. Not by calling whatever, not by doing this. It's by going through the due process, taking them to court, handling the matter the way it's supposed to be handled, so that there will be peace in our area. So that you will be able to, this December, you will be able to visit home and move around and see people. Not that you will travel to Eastern region. For you to have your peace, you have to go to Abuja. Or for you to have your peace, you have to go to Lagos and remain in Lagos. While your own community is at war with something nobody knows nothing about. These guys they are killing are not protesting. These people they are attacking are, most of them were brought down from the bus they are traveling from one side A to side B. And that is it. They enter, once upon a time there was a boy. They called him so name. He's no longer there. The nation have made you to understand that they cannot guarantee your safety again. But our safety is being guaranteed if we go through the right channel. The whole world is watching, but they are looking if you will follow the normal due process to battle that government. They are ready to help you to battle the government, but you must make the first step. You must take the first step. It is your duty, your fundamental human right to take the first step, take bunch of lawyers, take chambers, let them defend the indigenous people. You have right of self-determination. Barcelona are doing what our Biafrans are doing. None of them have been shot by the Spanish government. Or should I call the Scottish? And other part of European countries. A lot of countries are agitating for their own independence. But they are not killing them because they are following due process. The only thing that can punish Nigeria today is the court, International Court of Justice, that will punish Nigeria on the crime they committed. Me and you, we will do nothing as human beings. We can't do anything. That's why I'm pleading to those in United States, mostly in US now, bikono, ejim Chineke na ayo no, unu gbatara anya ọsọ enyemaka. Unu gbatara anya ọsọ enyemaka ka anyị nwee ike kpọrọ ndị a jee n'ụlọ ikpe. Maka na ọwụ n'ụlọ ikpe wee ebe a ga-azụta ndụ ha. Anyị ga-asị na ụmụazị anyị ji elọsị gbara aka ga-achụwa ndị amị ndị bu egbe. Ka anyị ga-asị ụmụaka ga-ewere okwute chụma onye bụ amọtanka. Amọtanka gbagazi na-eji ndị Igbo taa. Reminding you what happened during Biafran War. Amọtanka is now rolling back to the street of Biafran land. Yeah? They want to test their weapon, they want to test the equipment. They did not take that into Boko Haram territory and battle the terrorism there. Ebute the ngwaọgụ. Ebe ama na egbu oge nwe onye ga-ekwu okwu. Governors unu onye ọla na ha na onye ọla nara ka ọ na-eri lakpo. Enye kpọrọ na phone ya na-asị gị na ọ na-ala bekee ọ mere travel on holidays. That's what you are hearing. Ha niile agala holidays ugbu a. Echi abachọkụ unu ga-atụrụ ha vote. Unu ga-ebilikwa ọtọ ga-atụrụ ha vote. Unu ga-ebilikwa ọtọ gbuwekwa onwe unu onye nna sọpọtụ na onye nna sọpọtụ ha. Chineke mere ndị Igbo ebere. Jehova nna mere anyị ebere. Chineke anyị na-ahụ anyị ugbu a wụ gịnwa mụnwa na ndị ọzọ. Ọlọwụli itinyere enweke dị ntakịrị nweke buru ibu ndị be anyị biko. At least before 2 weeks na-agala. Before ndị Awụsa na East na-alachala. Anyị ama na anyị enwe ndị case file against Nigeria. Legal case file. Ọwụ ka ịkọ n'ọnụ nke akọghị anyị na International Criminal Court. Anyị nọ ebe a otu awụ na-eji. We can do this, we can do that, otu awụ na-eji. Let us, for once, kpọpụ ndị ụlọ ikpe. Ka anyị marazi ebe European Union okwu. Ka anyị marazi ebe European Court of Justice okwu. That their so-called human rights day. Ka anyị mara ebe ha okwu. But I believe they will not throw our case out. They have given us the green light to bring our evidence. Let them look into it, investigate it. Then, okwu ebiri ọkụ. Anya relaxes here. Olo wala ruru anya aka. Olo wala batara anya aka. Before you ga amanya mere a bill na akọ rough estimate ndị this chambers nyere. Anya kwụcha ihe. Ha face Nigeria. Ụmụaka emerụchara ahụ n'Igbo. Ndị egburu ndị ha. Ha nkwene ụmụaka egburu ndị ga-abara ha uru na ndụ. At least federal government akwụ ha damages. Ewerekwe adhoje ndị ka dị ndụ. Ndị ka emerụ ahụ emerụ ebupụta ha ala bekee. Gwọọ ha ọrịa gwochime ha ọfụma. That toxic something bullet teacher ha n'ahụ. Ewe ike mechia ya. Ha abara ndị nwe ha uru. Ọ wuru anyị ga-abara ndị nọ n'ụlọ. Anyị na ala bekee uru anyị ga-abara ha. Elu uru ịbara ụmụnne gị. Ndị ọzọ na-eme ka ha na-echekwa ndị ka ha. Ị ga-ajụ onwe gị ka uru mbara ndị nke m. Ndị Igbo sakụlụ ụlọ ya erute ụmụnna. Gbakụ gị tọrọ n'ala bekee gị nyetụ ndị eji oke ga-enye ndị ka niile inye gị ihe dịrị ha na mma. Ala bekee ihe dịrị ha na mma. Ụmụaka gbagbusịghị ụcha graduate na-enweghị ọrụ wụsa na street. Ọwụ fọtụ ha. Ọwụ fọtụ the federal government refused to create a job in the Eastern region. If you want to work, you must move to Kaduna or you move to Lagos. You are not allowed to work in the Igbo land. They want to turn that place to become desert. They want everything not there to migrate to a different area so that our area will dry up. And where's the American Alib? Since after the war, Nigeria did one block to rebuild that area. I was okay. I want to go abroad. Ega he geji na bia palo kpọrọ nwa nwaanyị ga ṅụọ $300 to $400 nwanne nye ụmụnna ga abara ha uru. Nye ụmụnna gị si this weekend let me start home ka wụrụ na asị na bia palo mo today wo uru mbara ụmụnna. Ugbu a zawo ma na-ekwu elekwe ndị otu anyị elekwe enweghị ndị otu nọ now. Achọghị m ihe ndị otu. Ihe m chọrọ wụ otu ha chọrọ ka were na-aga kpowa. Lekwe onye ohi, lekwe onye ozuru, lekwe Nigeria, lekwe court, lekwe Biafra, lekwe court, lekwe indigenous people, lekwe court. Period. Every videos, interviews, all of them will be played inside court. Court ano, Joe have questions. It's their duty to look into our matters. You know? Unu hige kwora n'ụlọ unu, mu hibe dona kemgbe echi. azagara m call ya ka otu abalị 6 o'clock ebiliele m ọ na-agwụ m n'anya anya na-agba m chịdọ enwere nwunye m ta n'ụlọ ụjọ na-atọ m because I megide ihe a na town na before you could know it ha bawa na rural areas ndị Igbo aga ekwe ete n'ọrụ ugbo ntili aka ọ na-eji na ọkụ ọ na-eji gị na gị chọọ ka emewe ya taa. It doesn't happen that way. Ihe niile we do process biko ndị ka eji m Chineke na ayọ unu eji m Chukwu okike abịa ma na ayọ unu. Hello, they call on the line. What's your name and where are you calling from?
Mr. Zenedict, good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir.
Okay, this is Chris.
Oh, my brother Chris.
Yeah, how are you doing?
My brother, I'm not fine.
Yeah, I just want to use this time to, I just, tuned in and one, online. So I just want to doff my cap for you for the great job. And I hope one way or the other, God will replenish you because of your, high level of concern to the people of Biafra, our people. And I'm asking God also to continue to inspire you more so that you will have the aspirations to continue what you're doing to help the people, your people, our people. And Achukwamiji Oga, if you permit me to also appeal to our people, because what you are just doing right now online is not just because you want to do it, it's just because of your interest. I'm going to be a great concern since this incident started. A couple of days ago, I've seen how furious, how much eager in your mind to make sure that we do the right thing. So actually, G Oga, because and Mario, and they buy the Biafran, no America, because our brother just unite this platform so that we can do the right thing. And the right thing is to save our own people, Umunai, because just Umunai. And they waste on daily basis. They call for help. God. I mean, these are the future of the Biafra in Ukukuya. So please, they buy the men on America because Putana because he need a little bit of our subsistence. I want in America. We are all compassionate people, and every one of us feel concerned about what's going on. I'm just calling. Because no amount is too little. We just put something. As for whatever. So this is the thing. Let us just join our hands together and help these folks. And already we have somebody that is already fighting for this issue to make sure that these barbarians get out of the eastern region. Whatever this python, I guess I try to will send her back. They be able to eastern region. Because let us be kings and queens maker. Let us help people to fulfill dream. With our little money on our car, we'll be able to do this right the way it should. I get it. But I need to fight the other way. Because we lose. So why don't we start doing this way? Because in America, because Chris Wong, and I'm not Boston here, because let us just because I want you guys to call in, listen to this our brother who is doing a marvelous job. Because and if you have not been tuning into this Mirror African TV, it's that only create a lot of awareness. That's where we get the updates from. That's where I get my updates from too, as well. Because I'm just appealing to every one of you in America. I know you guys are highly compassionate. where the interest of Ebaish. I get it. Most of us are good American here. Some of us are good residents. But be that as it may, what a Bekarolo. Biafra is a great land because Kaikikotanaka make sure the time may be right. I can learn everybody, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Zavedi, I'll talk to you, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bye-bye for now. Ndị Igbo amaghị m otu m ga-esi edowe na using biko because a sị nga nwata na-ebe akwa na-atụ aka ma ikwu nne ya nọgide ikwu nne ya na ya a sịkwa n'ime ibewanye ebewe nwanne anyị nwoke a kpọrọ ugbu a ọ gbalịkwana ngọ okpuru ike na nwoke ka ya na-achọkwa ịgakwa fọda mana asa hapụrụ ofu onye ụwa anyị gbuo ya biko unu nye aka otu olu nwere ike isi enye aka enwekwana ndị wu ndị ọka ikpekwe chọkwara etinyekwa aka ọnụ na okwu na ha na-eme ụzọ ghe ka ahụ na ndị Operation Python whatever dance or music should get out of our territory. We are not at war. We are not at war. Everybody with a right to exercise his freedom. You Ghana, Northern Nigeria, everything they come. You Ghana, Yoruba, Umaka na gas school, free education. You be na East, military join at the whole street, police join at the whole street. Let me see whether I will find one video. Whether I think I downloaded the video. Ebe jimoto na ari umu nelo. Let me see whether I will find it. Mamba download rumia. Be police with a moto na achumuaka. Police, military with a moto na ari umuaka elu na street. With a moto na ari elu. I think ebe ka ha save. My God. I remember here save was receive. I think I downloaded that video. I can play here now. Go no jiranyo no ho. Mana na ya na aka awoge akụkọ ụmụaka. And ụmụaka na eji ihe ari elu are not protesting. This igala na street, they guys na aga shi na azokuli ego elu. Whom are you going to complain to? No, not this one. Not this one. Oh my God. Chineke mere ndị Igbo ebere ndị Igbo eji Chineke na-ayọ unu biko nụ enwe ụtọ olu unu ga-esi enye aka ụtọ ụlọ o shiritere enweghị ike buru ibe nwee ike dị ntakịrị ka anyị kwapụga na ndị a akwapụga ha na ba anyị jizie nwayọ enwe ihe ọla na-eme jizie nwayọ na-eme ya ọbụla ihe m chọrọ igwu unu the audio na video na channel I thought that I downloaded me, but I believe not downloaded me. Maybe I saved on a wrong file. I couldn't find it now. But I'm not here now, Even though Ndawasa are coming out, Awasa people are making videos criticizing the government. Awasi what you are doing in Eastern region will come back to judge you. Awasa people, Muslim, is fighting for your people. They are doing videos criticizing the government to Wanyawasa. Likewise, the Yorubas. Ali Bedereki. No, here now, Yobiko. Telephone number now. The more you got button is okay. Yet, okay, I will do this. I will not just dere everywhere. That's all I have for you people. I'm more than a Biafra. Udodrono.
Don Prince Victor Igbo mmadụ anya bebun Yafula deje no Obia Ije Freedom na udo ka anyị na-arịọ anya chọrọ ihe mkpofu ọbara n'elu anyị bụ ndị Biafra bụ ndị ji udo na-aga obi maka ịlụ ọma ka eju na-aga n'ugwu ọ ga-adịkwara anyị na mma Omo Biafra jekene Biafra natago Igbo nwe mmadụ no Igbo nwe mmadụ natago Omo Biafra Biafra natago no
Good morning.
Yes, I can, sir. Afọ m Akweseka.
Akweseka ndewo.
Yeah, onye Ọbana Nsụka.
Okay.
And na dị na-ege your program sị ka m tụnye ofu alụ.
Okay, tụnye nwanne m.
So I'm eche na among ndị IPOB, to be honest with you, I've been US, but actually they know how to join in the state of Missouri, now the Midwest. So they can, they has vibrantly populated by Biafrans as it is now, say Houston, New York, and Atlanta, and so on. Come on, I was hoping that hang with a unit around the baby. I'm going to Kansas City, more like 5 hours away. I wouldn't mind that, going there meeting here now. So now I see, man, is there a way where you can really good with technology where you can create a directory, about available zones? No, because it appears now they're much more active than joined in our US. US just seem like much more docile and no energy. You don't hear much from US people at all. I'm US now just working all the over job, but we have as now here could so we have something much greater than very important. So I don't know when they get created a directory of active zones. Say now US where people can log on and see a zone very close to them, for us to attend. Another idea about I understand that now the demonstration and everything, but how many clear sign of directional leadership, like goal-oriented leadership? Automatically, under the leadership of IPOB. Like IPOB working with a charity unit. Under the law, I'm working with a charity unit. Come along as a charity organization. That way, and you wear the umbrella with musical funds back to the compensating families lose with their loved ones. And like you said, many of us, I would say a third of Biafrans being in America, both nurses and doctors. Somebody like me, I wouldn't mind traveling home to help take care of the So it's just an idea. I'm not. I'm a member in spirit, but I didn't actively register. I'm not a card carrying member because, like I say, I don't any zone very close to me. So I will need get you. If you think it's a good idea, I will need get you platform where disseminate here. There's some other people will be thinking about that because Nnamdi Kanu and the immediate circle. The movement will just die because each unit will they act as active as Nnamdi Kanu circle.
Yeah.
So I can continue.
Okay. Because I drop like I'm adding like something. I said that na onye asị agọ ndị mmadụ asị nwe ma otu. Ya wụrụ okwu ma ebe okwu m na-agalawo every Easterner is an indigenous person. Every Easterner or IPOB. IPOB is not an organization. Maybe Radio Biafra is calling it as an organization, but to my own understanding, I won't their IPOB member, but I am an indigenous person, indigenous Biafran. n'ala Igbo. You get to go? Which I believe that every Easterner is an indigenous person, IPOB. Good. What if we came as an IPOB, as an indigenous Biafran, being a US, in when the Igbo within you, in you had a lecture, your own idea, the best way to help our people.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm already doing that.
Lanya, others will not come from me, nor from no human being, but you will do it for the interest of our people back home. You get to go? Yes. NGO, no, is set up NGO. NGO can only take money to register. A part of that is tax free. You get to go? When they set up these NGOs, from there we'll be able to gather drugs, gather this one, gather the other one. Shipment of NGO goods to Nigeria will free. Clearing it is free. You get to go? It's free duty.
Yeah.
We are also. Then the US can do it. We don't want to hear in German not the tight in terms of moving those things or gathering those things, you know. But other reminder that in the US, okay, like that. But more than I want not here. You get to go. But him tell my brother, and when he will not set up there. I want to meet a lot of people from US and that there is not an organization where they go and register. All of in a BD here. EBD in an area again now. And when they know within your area, will join in. Give one about the message to the nearby. Ndike naga cover one their area. So somebody not quite done and not Kunobi. Start gathering 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Hence 7 I form all quorum. I form one there. I said okay, the NGO and when one NGO in your area, what they will now do is to take the same license. One NGO will cover the whole United States, or what they allow.
Oh yeah.
Then these people will be like department. Every state gonna say the department take care of the duty of the NGO and their territory. Are we not doing something? We are doing something. Waiting when we get permission from UK or to get no. I am not in support of anything group. Start everything in your territory. Organize your people to take care of those people back home. Mama no here, other mama here. My brother will not like it. I got my say, "Be I could make could let them. Let be shall let them. And I'm in the transa or shoe. What died from you? You got that. But on their hand on all law. They have Chineji. And they reach about they start thinking about what they are going to eat tomorrow.
Yeah.
Somebody get one headache. There is no Fensic. There is no paracetamol in that territory. But if you go to Lagos, you get all those things. All Wasakaja. If you go to northern Nigeria, all Wasakaja. But in eastern region, these people are eating expired geisha. A room na Nigeria, my brother. Jesus bread. Even na bread. Boss, I be a son when I supply bread. I now drop the one I'm picking. Can with a fresh one from this from bakery. My brother, could you believe that I pick him 6? 3 out of the 6 have expired. They are old goods. They mix in a new one. They be supply your people.
Yeah.
My junior brother geisha that also is run. I look the geisha, the metal abonya chala, mlay the tin. It had us many spices 3 years ago. Oh, that's
from one China Nigeria too.
That is it one Nigeria?
Yeah, that's insane.
I couldn't wish the people if you go to Eastern region, the largest business expanding in Eastern region now in the Neriboso are doing well building houses. People are dying like chicken and rat and they keba urogu. Since I know here almost 15-20 sarin could have crossed Masin on the east. Ndinaba left, Ndinaga right, Ndinaga, and I just yourself burial. The largest ceremony that runs in Eastern region today is burial. Now Nigeria moved their military. The little one on front now, with a bullet to Burisha Hancha.
Yeah. That's one of the things I'm thinking, this lawsuit that's a very good action in the right direction. Well, we've got lobbying. We have to lobby governments that matter, or else we can cry and dance till tomorrow and nothing is going to happen. So influential countries like Iran, that's anything that can counter Great Britain, whether it's Iran or Turkey. Those are the people we should be lobbying in and everything is money, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, but everything is money.
Everything is money.
You need money to lobby the representative, whatever politician is in that country, to speak for you.
Yes.
That's what lobbyists do. They did it in Nigerian elections too. It's all about money. So we need to really start thinking about organizing to go seek out those Congress people in America, the Congress people in Iran, the Congress people in Turkey. All those people, they are somewhere antagonistic to either U.S. or because U.S. and Great Britain is not going to be on Biafran side on this. I can assure you that, because guess who's the Secretary of State in the U.S. who ExxonMobil boss? Tillerson is not going to let you take that oil with you. So don't think that America. I see these people posting things online. Oh, America wants to do. Oh no, Trump ain't going to be your friend.
No.
Trump is a billionaire. He loves that oil there. He's not going to let Nigeria break up and then lose that oil. Or he may not lose it, but he's not going to get as much as he's going to get under Biafra.
Yes.
So Great Britain and US are not really a great partners in this fight. I'll be looking at like emerging countries like India, China, these other countries, but not these big two brothers, US and Great Britain. So that's another idea I wanted to throw in there.
This idea with now, I don't want to mention names, but Oga Akporomo to join a group. I asked the boss himself. We do speak one-on-one that time, enjoy that. And do we have anybody lobbying on behalf of us now these great nations? He replied to me, now is to, I don't know, something on it. We should start collecting money first of all. I laughed over it. And one of these things now, we can only achieve all those things now if our people start waking up, donating $5. Because here in Germany, they are politicians. There is one a president to resign. Somebody is lobbying on behalf of something. If you hear about lobby, you thought that a bigger money. No, this person pays his afternoon meal. Upon Nigeria, they target that place. They say, okay, if this lawmaker be here, yes, but lawmaker here, please give him whatever he need and send me the bill.
Exactly.
Time he asks who is paying for my bill, and now they invite him. They discussed. Even a parliament just mention up Biafra 2 times a month. It's more than enough.
I don't mean to spoil anybody's idea of how wonderful democracy is, but that's the way democracy, money is the oil on which democracy runs. I live in America. I know American politics very well. Back home, they call it bribery. Over here, they call it lobbying. So I don't get fooled by all this. I'm as real as it gets. So they call it lobbying here, and I accept it. Back home, all Ghana must go.
1 minute, my brother.
I accept it,
my brother. 1 minute. Victoria, that is my private account that I sent you. That if you want to transfer money for the court case that we want to battle with Nigeria, you may send in whatever you feel like into that account. That's it.
Yes.
And we something they when they look at this platform they display now. It's the same thing you are sending now. It's the same thing that is showing this place. That is IBAN. IBAN means international bank account. It starts with DE. DE means German, and the bank code and everything. That is my private bank account. I'm not running an NGO here now, but it's my own private account. So as this my brother is talking now, and when this successful NGO in the US that will be taking care of issues in Nigeria, back home, then we may use the NGO's account, and every time I continue commence from there, because I'm not ready to have a group. This one now is sure we are at the access to less have to control anything. So my brother, thank you for your ideas, and I like your direct contact, you know, kind of in solid contact, who that now in we made something organized on your area. Here.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you.
You are highly welcome, my brother. God bless you. God bless you for calling in. So, my people, I gotta continue to abakwa egu ordinary na aba ka egu nwana nwoke Sampe Gora on the Biafra udodirono.
Eji megu mekene tifuna digano odogbo da dere mma onye ze na odugoro dị mma ọkwa ndị solo gili n'ụwa akọlọgo gili lata ọkwa osisi bolo tolo emesego makwere ọkwa anyị ma n'ọnọdụ ugo ọdụrụ na-egbe mma ọkwa ogogo onye arụ anachụ anya ọsọ otu ekwensị elikonni oge jikwe n'ogologo ngaji dike kani gị bụ na London dike kani gị bụ na Israel dike kani gị bụ na Russia dike kani gị bụ na India dike kani gị bụ na Biafra Nnamdi Kanu dike kani gị bụ na Biafra nzọgbu enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi anyị ga-azọgbu ndị ilo enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi ụmụ Igbo niile bekene onwe mmadụ ewo ọ dịwola anyị onye wele cases anye no sisale my blood onye wele ke chukwu nye no chukwu okike obioma helele onye give God what belongs to him and give Caesar what belongs to him as we seek for peace and humanity it's not at all for vanity. There are once people is killing each other. I wonder why my blood died. Who could be a flag? I told him, I'm beginning a middle. I'm beginning a middle. Oh, nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi zọgbu ndị anyị na-ewu enyi mba enyi fellow let my people go Biafra natago let my people Igbo nwe mmadụ natago ndị nọ lọpụga n'anya aka n'ụwa Biafra natago Igbo nwe mmadụ nọ Igbo nwe mmadụ natago ojude na-elapụ ude na-apụ mana anyị apụrụ n'udene n'ụwa ihe ogogo awọdelu na something make una hear me ịbụrụ nwa Biafra na tebe n'ụlọ make una come back ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị ịbụ ịkpọta ịbụ expọta nataba n'ụlọ ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị ndị dị n'obodo anyị ebe otu dịkwa na be anyị ship na-agbakwa na be anyị oyi dịkwa n'ala be anyị mmanya nkwụ dị na be anyị ihe niile dị mma ọ dịkwa n'ala be anyị nataba n'ụlọ ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị ụmụ Igbo kọmba ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị o tinye nwata weli aka elu aka fụwa yufu o wetu aka Jehova nke zọpụtara ụmụ Israel n'aka Fero bilie natara ya oke ruru anyị
mụ na Jọsi ya
natara ya oke ruru anyị Chukwu bilie natara ya oke ruru anyị Biafra bụ nke anyị obodo ọma Biafra bụ nke anyị ala Chukwu tere mmanụ Nzobu 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 enyimba nzobu 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 ha enyimba anya zobu ndendo enyimba nzobu nzobu
Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna dey feel am o. Na hogo. Agbapụlụ kwa ha. Nke just rute maka ugbu a. Ụkwa ha agbapụlụ ya completely. Ka m repeat ya kodo nwetekwu ya ọzọ. Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna dey feel am o. Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna dey feel am o. Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna dey feel am o. Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Muna dey feel am o. Muna just see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am. They just shoot this guy. They shoot this guy for leg o. Muna dey see am o. Muna dey see am o. Muna just dey feel am well now. See as they shoot this guy for legs. Jesus Christ. Hey. Can't watch this. Ọ dị egwu. Eburu ọzọ onye ọzọ ya dịka evu okpuru osisi. Mana ọ ka dịkwa dị mma o. Ma anyị kwe na ọ ga dị mma. So my people, that's all I have for you today.
Ikwere na Biafra.